What's going on, guys and girls? Nathaniel Texas back here with a product review. So if you guys remember in my previous video, I stated that my Volvo dash cam has finally stopped working, therefore I have had to purchase a new dash cam. The dash cam that I decided to go with was a Rove R2-4K dual memory dash cam. This is a front and rear facing camera dash cam that I've installed in my 2006 F-150. I bought this online on Amazon, totaling would be about $142 because I bought a anti-glare lens to go with it. Amazon is currently running a Black Friday deal on it still, however, so if you're in need of a dash cam, I would recommend picking this up while it's still on sale for like 39% off or whatever it is. But I have it hardwired, not hardwired, but I have it installed into my truck here with the cigarette outlet. I do not have it hardwired. They offer a hardwire install kit, however, I prefer the cigarette method. I like being able to physically plug it in and unplug it, and I don't always want my dash camera on whenever I turn my key on. That's just my own personal preference. Do with that as you will. But you can run the wires as you please. I ran mine underneath the door trim. That's kind of what I was trying to show you there. The settings of the dash cam, you can cut. This is very, very user friendly and customizable. You can do everything on the dash cam itself, or you can use the Mevel app. I would 10 out of 10 recommend using the Mevel app. It just is so much easier, I found. Instead of having to click through here on the buttons, you can sync your dash cam to your phone and lean back in your driver's seat and just do everything yourself. I'm just kind of messing random buttons here, filling up video space. But I will show you how you need to sync your dash cam. So you install the app there, and then you boot it up. You will need to connect it. You'll have a one-time password. Mine was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So, but it'll take you to your internet. Your dash cam needs to be on while you're doing this. So you'll just connect it. You see, I have my home internet there, and then you have the dash camera. You connect it to the dash camera. You get back to the main app, and then boom, you're in your app. This is your dash cam. You can see, the front and rear camera. You click on the bottom right there, you can go to settings, and this has everything in it. You can customize this to your own liking. I have done it to my liking. I don't have half the stuff turned on. I just simply don't have a need for this stuff. So like the video stamps for I have my date and time on, but I don't have the compass, direction of travel, GPS coordinates. I just don't have stuff like that on. I just don't need it, So the dash cam also offers 24-hour parking mode, G sensors, time-lapse recording, just stuff I do not simply need because I just don't need it. I just need the video of me going to the station and maybe sitting on scene somewhere. But you can pull the dash cam videos back very easily. It downloads to your phone really freaking fast. As you can see, I can literally just click on it. You can select by date. The camera will over start lapping video files whenever it gets full. So if you need something, then you physically need to go in there and save it immediately. But whenever you do download something like I am downloading right now, just to show you guys, you will see it download, and then once it does finish, it will save to your camera roll automatically, or at least mine did. But the same thing goes for the rear camera here. You download stuff simultaneously. It's the exact same way, no matter what camera you're wanting to pull. I will include a video of me day and night driving, so you guys can get an idea of what the dash camera looks like. I'm not sponsored, I'm not endorsed, I have no affiliation with this company whatsoever. This is just my honest opinion about what I think this product is. So far, I 10 out of 10 recommend this product for the price I paid. I'm not complaining about this at all. I was very satisfied with my Volvo. However, since they went out of business, and I obviously don't really have much of an option because I have to have something for my vehicle. So, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, by all means, I'll try to answer them the best I can below. But I'm not represented by them. So, but I will try. Send them your way. But let me know what you all think. If you all have a beef with this company or something, let me know if you've had issues with these cameras before. I would love to hear about them. So thank you all for watching.
Video mode. Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.